Welcome today in front of me SONY Xperia 5 Mark III, and I'll show you how to unblock number on this device. So first you should go to the phone app, and here on the right upper corner tap to this three dots icon. Now just go here to the settings and you'll see the block numbers section. Now just tap here on the section, and as can you see, we got here the two block numbers in our blacklist. So just to remove one from these numbers, tap here on the X icon and confirm to unblock. And as can you see, we got here the message that this number is unblocked. And by the same way, we can just remove the second number from the blacklist on our device. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.